Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a Xbox One S HDMI port replacement. I've already prepped the port by putting some low melt on the pins and the posts. So at this point we're just going to get the port to fall out. And then we could go ahead and get it removed and replaced. There we go. Alright, so let's get this old solder cleared out so we could get some new solder laid down and get the new port in, get these folks back to gaming again. Should have my fume extractor on. Sorry for any weeble wobbles. Alright, let's get this solder on so we can get this port on. Get these folks back to gaming again. Take my solder. Alright, we just gotta get this port on. It's gonna get a little loud, so you may want to turn down your speakers or sound or whatever. Alright, let's dig in. Alright, I've been doing a lot of the feed method. I'm gonna do just the glob method this time. I'll just put like a glob on there. We need more solder. Some of that good solder. Some of that caster solder. That should be globby enough. Almost there. Gotta fill her in all the way, man. Gotta have it all the way filled for it to have maximum strength. Put a little more flukes. There we go. Let's fill this bad boy in so we can get these folks back to gaming again. Alright. Oh, you can't really see. Oh, what the hell? What the crap, phone? Alright, so that's the... Oh, come on, let me clean it up so you guys could actually see. I didn't realize it was all dark. Alright, that's the final outcome on the post. And that is the final outcome on the pins. And the solder goes all the way through the board on the post. Let's bolt it up and test. Nice and clean. Let's test it out. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Memberships available. Store is now open. Thanks again for tuning in.